Hey trader, Shane from GMT Futures, welcome back. I'm going to take you through one of the systems in our DAX portfolio. So we've got a portfolio of systems that we trade on the DAX, our multi-system strategy. Obviously this system can be traded independently of the portfolio, but the system is the Cycle Trader. It's trading on the DAX. The registration identification is MW01. That's just our identifier code. It's one of our pro traders who put this strategy together following initial system development, and it is flying along. So she's done a fantastic job there. It's the profit since February is $26,150, and that's per single lot, and the max drawdown is $12.95. So I'm going to take you through the actual Cycle Trader strategy, and then I'm also going to have a look at the performance stats on this particular system, because this is one of the strategies that's trading in our portfolio. So good to have a look at it, and good to see how it's performed over the last week. Hey traders, we're going to have a look at the DAX now. This is on a 5-minute chart. So for those of you who have got a preference for time-based charts, you're going to love this strategy. Obviously we use time, tick, Renko, range. So we're trading with a multitude of different chart types, and this example here is on the is on a 5-minute chart. It's system MW01. So Mabel, one of our pro traders, has customized this system on using our Cycle Trader. So let's go through some of the performance stats here. The reason why I wanted to demo this one is, as I mentioned before, it's in our portfolio and it's tracking beautifully. So one of the Cycle Trader strategies in our portfolio. The average trade net profit, remember that at the end of the day you need to have a substantial amount of fat in your system, and that comes in the average trade net profit. So you want that value as high as you can. Ideally for a Cycle Trader strategy you want that over $50. This one's at $253, so that's huge. So as far as performance and the ability to trade this in real time, that is a great number, 253. The win rate's 56%, so for those traders who want a slightly higher win rate, that we catered for there. It's got a profit factor of 3.29. The overall profit on the system is 26k. Longs 14, shorts 11, so there's definitely a bias to the long side. Obviously the market's been tracking well on the long side of late. And you can see there the drawdown 12.95.68. Now let's have a look at the periodic returns here, and then we'll jump in and have a look at how the Cycle Trader trades. So you can see month on month it's produced some really good numbers. There's really been no losing month since February, so it's tracking along beautifully. Up 666 so far this month. If we have a look at our weekly performance, you can see there that apart from that bit of a road bump on the 2nd of June, that week of the 2nd of June, which is negative 880, and then a slightly lower week the next week, we've had some really good consistent performance on the Cycle Trader. So it's been tracking nicely. Good equity curve there as well, just making new equity highs, so that's interesting as well. But you can see that it's performing as we would expect a Cycle Trader strategy. Remember that the Cycle Trader buys support, sells resistance. So for us as traders, we're looking to take advantage of this consolidation periods. These periods where the market gets a little bit rangy, doesn't have a huge breakout, and that's where the Cycle Trader comes into its own. It really does do a good job of tracking these periods of consolidation. So we obviously don't want to be trading during the trend on the Cycle Trader, so it doesn't take those trades, but it will trade where there's obvious support resistance, and that's our dynamic support resistance. You can see the resistance there on the red, the support in the green. So that proprietary indicator comes with the strategy. You've also got your strategy, obviously inputs, which we take you through as part of our training. There's a number of inputs there, specifically also looking at days of the week, longs and shorts. We've got our max wins, max losses built into our strategy as well. But that's all part of the training that you undergo when you learn how to use the systems. Now you got to remember too that when you are tracking the Cycle Trader, we're also tracking these strategies as well. So as part of our portfolio maintenance, we make sure that the settings are right in relation to the portfolio. So the advantage we've got is that obviously with our traders, we've got the ability to assist them in making sure that they're reviewing their strategies properly as part of our training and our review, our weekly review. So having those systems available and reviewed by our pro traders means that that when you come in and you're using one of the systems, you can just make sure that your settings are lined up with the pro trader settings, and you've got exactly the same process going forward. So that's a bit of a review of the DAX. As I said, we've got over here our system performance tracker, which gives us a breakdown of how the days of the week are performing. So Monday, Tuesday, you can see there that they're all profitable days that we've got on. Current drawdown -200, so the drawdowns are very, very low, and just accumulating a lot of profit on those days of the week, obviously. So Friday's not on. Friday's not a day that we're trading because it's not profitable enough. Because remember that part of the criteria for us choosing a system is that we need to make sure that its current drawdown is in with the parameters of the high performance system, so we don't want a excessive drawdown, and we also want to make sure that our average trade net profit is good enough to be able to trade in real time. So there's some of the parameters that we track on a daily basis as far as monitoring our system. So guys, that's a quick review and recap of the DAX. Thank you for your time. That's one of the systems that, or one of the markets that the Cycle Trader trades on. I'll be reviewing a number of these over the weekend. So traders, thanks for spending a little bit of time with us. If you'd like to become a GMT Futures and FX automated system trader, very simply, all you need to do is email us at info@gmtfutures.com. You can visit us at our website at www.gmtfutures.com/products and sign up for one of our systems, or you can give us a call at 617-336-00875 for more information. If you do want more, if you want to have a little bit of a look around on how the systems are performing or how our strategies are running in our portfolio, then definitely jump in and have a look at our blog. You can see there, I've got the blog posted up there. It's www.news.gmtfutures.com, and you can see that we've got a lot of information on our blog relating to obviously our multi-system strategy, our individual systems. So if you're looking to explore what strategies would best suit your trading style and your performance, definitely jump on and have a look at the blog, or shoot us a quick email. There's a number of systems there, and we do a regular review once a week on a lot of our systems as well. So looking forward to hearing from you, and have a fantastic day. Cheers.